If your child goes to a nut-free school or has a nut allergy, this treat is perfect. To a food processor, add 2/3 cup of rolled oats, a 1/4 cup of dairy-free chocolate chips, 1 cup of dates. I'm using Julie's brand. Use my code VEGANLunchMom and their website and you'll get 15% off your order. They're so soft you don't even have to soak them. Add 1/4 cup of sunflower seed butter, a pinch of salt. Put the lid on your food processor and process until coarse crumbs form. It shouldn't take very long, and this is what it looks like when you're ready to roll it into balls. It clumps together and it looks pretty chunky. Make sure to remove the blade before you're sticking your hands in there. Taking about a tablespoon size of the mixture, put it in your hands and kind of like mush it together, and then start rolling it into a ball. If they're falling apart a little bit, just do it slow and firm. You can keep them in a glass jar or a glass container for up to a week or two. The recipe makes 10 to 12 depending on how big you make the balls. If you or your kid likes dates, I hope you guys give this recipe a try and check out Julie's Dates. Thanks for watching, and I hope you subscribe for more easy vegan recipes that you can pack in a lunch.